HDB Financial IPO listing check listing date, allotment status, GMP. Expert views HDB Financial IPO listing date. HDB Financial Services is all set to make its debut on the stock exchanges with its Rs 12,500 crore IPO, one of the most anticipated public issues of the year. The company's shares are expected to be listed on both the BSE and NSE on Wednesday, July 2, at 1000 am. Nanan the IPO, which opened on June 25, witnessed strong demand, receiving an overall subscription of 16.69 times. The main board issue attracted bids for 217.7 crore shares against 13.04 crore shares on offer. As per NSE data. Nanan the IPO comprised a fresh issue of shares worth 2,500 crore and an offer for sale OFS by parent company HDFC Bank amounting to 10,000 crore. Proceeds from the fresh issue will be used to augment HDB Financial Services Tier I capital base to meet future capital requirements. These include funding onward lending across the company's enterprise lending, asset finance, and consumer finance verticals. Nanan the allotment status for the IPO was finalized on Monday. Investors can check their allotment details on the registrar's website, MUFG Intime India PVT Ltd. Link Intime. Nanan follow these steps to check your allotment status on the BSE website. The company is scheduled to initiate credit of shares to the demat accounts of successful bidders on Tuesday, July 1. Refunds for non-allottees will also be processed on the same day. Nanan the GMP of the company is around Rs 57, which is 8 over the issue price. Nanan shares of HDB Financial Services Ltd are scheduled to be listed on the NSE and BSE on Wednesday, July 2. Nanan the total gross loans of HDB grew at a CAGR of 23.5 over FY 2325 and stood at Rs 1,068.8 BN as of March 31, 2025. The loan portfolio is highly granular, with the top 20 customers accounting for less than 0.34 of total gross advances, said Geojit Investments in its IPO report. Swipe left for next video. Despite the relatively lower return ratios and profitability growth, we remain optimistic about the company's longer-term growth trend, supported by a strong brand parentage, diversified liability franchise supported by a strong credit rating of AAA and a pan-India presence. The issue is valued at a PB ratio of 3.9x at the upper price band based on FY25 book value, which we believe to be fairly valued compared to its peers. Considering the above compelling factors, we recommend a subscribe rating to this issue from a long-term perspective, said BP Equities in an IPO note. About HDB Financial Services Ltd, incorporated in 2007, is the leading non-banking financial company NBFC of the HDFC Bank. The NBFC is focused on retail lending. It offers personal loans, auto loans, business loans, gold loans, and other financing services. Latest blogs.